Yeah, welcome to Brainbox. Let's now discuss about atomic mass here. So, what is atomic mass? So, atomic mass we simply call it as mass of one atom. Okay, but we know very well that atoms are so small, and to measure the mass of one atom we need some standard reference unit, because see, we generally will go to the market and we purchase something. When we purchase something, we measure their masses in terms of kgs, because the vegetables are the rations, whatever we get, they are of measurable masses, and comparatively we have kgs, right? And if at all the small things we have, then we measure them in grams. Means depending upon the mass of the given substance, we choose the relevant units. Means to take about vegetable mass, means to measure about the mass of vegetables we use kgs, or to measure about mass of gold or something we use grams. In the sense, it always depends upon the substance, mass of the substance. In comparison to that, the weight standard unit must be present. Now, with what we can compare the mass of one atom means we don't have any matter which we can compare to that of mass of one atom. So, the comparable unit to that of mass of one atom is always the atom only, because one atom always can be compared only with one atom. So that is what the thing, the standard reference unit is always required to measure the mass of one atom, and such standard reference unit required or chosen to measure the mass of one atom is AMU. So AMU is known as atomic mass unit. So what is this atomic mass unit? Like grams, kilograms, like that, this is also one unit. Okay, so atomic mass unit is a unit which is chosen to measure the mass of atoms, right? And this can be even known as unified mass and simply represented as U. Okay, atomic mass unit is also known as unified mass, and it will be simply represented as U, and the value of 1 U is depending upon the relative atomic mass of the atom what we have chosen. So to measure the mass of atoms, what is the standard reference atom we have chosen? Means earlier we have taken oxygen atom. So oxygen 16 means O16 isotope is chosen as standard reference unit, and the mass of 1/16th of mass of one atom of oxygen. 1/16th of mass of one atom of oxygen is termed as AMU earlier. Now remaining all atoms mass, we just will compare with the atomic mass of oxygen, means we take the ratio to that of oxygen and we measure. But later, according to the IUPAC, means IUPAC is known as the international standards for taking the chemical measurements. Means what is IUPAC here? It is the institution or organization which always gives the relevant ideas and final decisions about the chemistry, right? And now IUPAC has suggested that to take that carbon, means instead of oxygen, carbon as a standard reference unit for measurements, right? And now we have shifted from oxygen to carbon. Now in terms of carbon, what is the value of AMU? The value of 1 AMU in terms of carbon is that 1/12 of, means 1/12 of mass of one atom of carbon. And again in carbon we have different isotopes, and among that what we consider is C12 isotope, right? Now the weight of C12 isotope by 12 is taken as the value of 1 AMU, right? And the value of 1 AMU in terms of kgs, exactly will be equal to 1.66 into 10 power minus 27 kgs. This is the value of AMU, means 1 atomic mass unit value in terms of kgs. But anyway, remember that kgs or grams, whatever it may be, are not comfortable for us to measure the masses of atoms, because atoms are so small. Hence, a small standard reference unit is required for us to measure the mass of atom. And what is such small standard reference unit? That is AMU. And what is the value of 1 AMU? The value of 1 AMU is taken as 1/12th of mass of 1 atom of carbon, right? And now the another atom's mass means mass of one atom of hydrogen will be always taken as 1U. Why? The relative atomic mass will be considered. So the relative atomic mass of hydrogen, if at all we take, is 1U. Okay, so what is 1U? When compared to the AMU value, the hydrogen mass of hydrogen is 1 times greater, right? Similarly, the relative atomic mass of nitrogen we will take, right? And the relative atomic mass of nitrogen is 14U. So what this 14U says? Compared to the AMU value, the atomic mass of nitrogen, means the mass of 1 atom of nitrogen, is 14 times greater, right? So whatever the atomic masses of all other elements present in the periodic table, we just will measure in comparison with the AMU value. Okay, so the value of 1 AMU is 1/12th of mass of 1 atom of carbon. Have you look at this?